To the stage is Der-Liang from Tallinn. His topic is printing XYZ. Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, take for a moment, imagine the human body, whether it's your body, your neighbor's body, or perhaps you like my body. Notice all the different parts of this body, from the arms, to the legs, to the torso, the back, the skull. Now you fill this body with the organs, the muscles, the tendons, let's not forget the veins and the arteries, and then you wrap this body up in tissue and in skin, and there you have it, the human body. Now, nature designed our bodies, or designed your bodies and my bodies, according to our needs, your needs, according to your specifications. Nature took the design from your DNA and made you unique, building you up molecule by molecule. Now the principle, the basic principle of building something molecule by molecule or layer by layer is the same principle used in industry called additive manufacturing. In popular terms, additive manufacturing is called 3D printing. Imagine how 3D printing works is by simply imagining what your inkjet printer does at home. You have a printer head that moves left and right, and it deposits ink onto paper that creates text and images from a computer file. Well, 3D printing does exactly the same thing. The printer head moves left and right, but also forwards and backwards and up and down. The beauty about 3D printing is that it has revolutionized industries from aerospace to household products. But the biggest impact of 3D printing has been in the medical field. You know, when I told my friends that I was doing this famelab competition, they all wished me good luck. Hey, do well on stage. But there was this one girl who said, go up stage and break a leg. Well, it turns out, well, I do have a leg. So this is a prosthetic human leg. It's 3D printed, made out of plastic. Now, all the individual parts, and there were 10 of them, were printed as individuals and then assembled together, and it functions quite well. The beauty about 3D printing is that it could customize just about anything. So, if I were to lose my leg, I could get a new prosthesis that would have the socket contour to my body, according to my height and my weight, and even my stride and my aesthetics. There's even a plastic called Ninja Flex that could work, that is flexible and bendable and strong, that you could put at the joints, and it would mimic human muscles and tendons. So the next time, in the future, if I ever break a leg on stage or something horrible happens to me and I lose a limb, I know that with 3D printing, with this technology, I could build parts that would replace my body, and these parts would be my own. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And comment, Helen, please.
Thank you very much. Do you think we will ever be able to 3D print parts of our brain?
Well, the thing with organs, like the current research now is that tissues can be printed, but they're not living tissue, they're just parts. In order to have living tissue, we have to incorporate some kind of stem cells to make them grow, and of course you need the DNA to match. Now the brain gets a bit more difficult. You can 3D print the brain as an organ, yes, but to get your consciousness into that brain, that's a whole other science.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.